Hey guys, today I will show you how to accept a quest in Monster Hunter World. First, make sure you are in Astera. To accept a quest, walk up to the quest board or talk directly to the handler. Both options work the same, so use whichever is closer. Next, choose the type of quest you want. You can select assigned for story progress, optional for side hunts, investigations for better rewards, or events for limited time quests. Once you pick one, confirm the quest and choose whether you want to depart solo or wait for other players. After that, head to the gate or use the departure option to start the hunt and you are good to go. And that's how you accept a quest in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.